की खूब और का बातें से टीवी। ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kynnoh ilam jong khasi student union Nongmisei area unit rengkar ke jinsan ralang jong Kynnoh ilam ka KSU West Khasi Hills District unit hagashi turik naitung arajar alpusan kilalet ban Ujor deputy commissioner jong ka West Khasi Hills District halo ke jing Kynnoh bagadang ke jing Ohdor baga jing Samduna yu Khaw Reshon baga jing Pynduh Khaw Reshon ru ikat tu ke ni Kynnoh bam Khaw Reshon hapo ke Nongmisei Fair Price Shop Center nakaliang jong seng kala IT ru dakador khas how deputy commissioner bandawa bu de benthong ika magisterial inquiry halo ke jing Kynnoh baklami persha igino sam Khaw Reshon limbaga Nongmisei Fair Price Shop Center
nakaliang kacumi ka isi isi unit harkat ka jing sembran lang di hot ka isi West Khasi Hills District unit ke manta kasi nilio ban wan Pynduh yu deputy commissioner jongka West Khasi Hills mustoi halor di bentan ka halor ke bentan di Khaw jongka Nongmisei Fair Shop kilawan ban Ujor hi keseng te nakalen ka jini keseng ila wan ban bu ka jing Ujor angne hapo office but nakalen hi keseng ila dawa daga magistrate inquiry but ban hak ban lap ke jing Shah hapo ka jing dina hapo ka Nongmisei Fair Shop te nakalen ku isi la pular ula ai ni ka asuran nakalen kan bu sia ban beliau ya kini di hok tapi kita deh hok kini di nomor Khaw to akan kasih nakalen jongi kum ka isu West Khasi Hills District unit dekat berka Nongmisei area unit ya kawan yo ban ya Pynduh ya deputy commissioner jongka West Khasi Hills District akabai de berkini ka jinsam yu Khaw apo ka sinong Nongmisei bat khamtam habade bat ka jingsim kabu jongki dilar habade bat Khaw Reshon nakaliang jong nikum kaseng layo ya ka jing Ujor habade bat uni Khaw ba nakaliang jong dilar ya ka ba umla ban sam bat haji opor habade bat jing sim kabu ka jing habade ki dor timur nakaliang jong kaseng kan kasni layo bani Pynduh yo disi ban nakaliang ka jing uru ka simkia habade binega kam ruang ru ban sopha daga magistrate inquiry bat nakaliang jungi kerman ba kan kam kamde ban sakutang kami jong UDC bagi kerman ru bat habade kan kam nakaliang jong department habade bat ka ki kam jong supply ba kinangla ban yai budin ni kana kam mat hadu ban nayo ya ka jingshar ba hok bat khamtam bagi nang sunong jong Nongmisei area kin du yu Khaw bat kin chale siliak.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.